Good morning, sir. Very good morning. So I welcome you both, Chandrakanta sir and Ashok Mishra sir. So Mr. Chandrakanta sir is working as a senior technical delivery manager in Vistan Corporation Private Limited, Pune. He has completed his UG and PG from University of Pune. He has been associated with the software industry for the past 15 plus years experience in various Indian and foreign companies. Welcome you, sir. So, and I extend my warm welcome to Dr. Professor Ashok Kumar Mishra sir. He has completed his B Mechanical DPM diploma in Member of Institution of India and Project Guide, Member Cell USA. Taught MBA students, worked for 40 years in major companies like Hindustan Motors, Bharat, Premier Automobiles, Plant in Charge. He is at present retired. He has been practicing and spreading Sahaja Yoga since 1993. So once again, welcome you, Ji. Thank you, thank you. You can start.
Question is Sahaja Yoga. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Chandrakant sir, you check your audio.
Chandrakant sir, we are not able to hear you.
Sir, we can't hear your voice. We can't hear your voice, sir.
Hope my voice is clear now.
Now it's clear, sir.
Okay.
Now it's clear.
So thank you. I guess there is a some small error in my laptop side. So now we have corrected. Thank you for the patience. Today myself, Dr. Ashok Kumar Mishra, and one of my colleague Atiti will be there. So we all three will be going to conduct the session. What we will do, we'll start with the meditation and then maybe the question answer session, which will be led by the Ashok Kumar Mishra sir and Aditi. So let's start the meditation session first. So before we start, anyone want to share any experience of yesterday? Did you try practicing at home? So how about anyone practice at home? Anyone tried at home? Ma'am, can you please give me the host rights so that I can share the screen? Rubeshwari.
Sure, sir, sure.
Okay. Anyone tried at a home? Maybe anyone tried to practice at home? How did you feel? Okay, if no one has tried, no problem. That is also okay. But the key is to practice at home. If you don't practice, it is little difficult to grow in this field, because this is all based on the practice. It is all based on the how you can do a meditation properly, how you can achieve the thoughtless awareness. If you don't practice, it will be like just we are sitting in a one room and we are listening one more speaker, and but the output will be zero. Okay. uh, we are here to help you to improve your health, improve your mental state, improve your stress level, and that will be going to give you a long term effect. Your entire life will lifespan will increase. You will lead a happy life, joyful life, and get a multiple benefit even in your social life, in your family life, in your personal life. You will get lot of benefit, but to gain this benefit you need to practice. वो बोलते हैं ना कि हम आपको पानी तक लेके जा सकते हैं, पानी का कुआं दिखा सकते हैं, बट आपको पानी खुद पीना है. So you need to drink the water. We can show you the path, but the water you need to drink. So let's start with the meditation practice. Hope I can share. Okay, still I cannot able to share my screen, ma'am. If you can give me a host right.
Wait, sir. We have given already. 1 minute, sir.
So let sit comfortably. If you are sitting on a chair, sit comfortably. If you are sitting on a ground, that is also fine. Sit on Sukhasana or Padmasana or any position which is comfortable to you. Make sure your spinal cord should be upright and straight. Be in a relaxed position. Both the hand on your lap. Okay. Keep your both the hand on your lap. Palm will be facing toward the sky like this. Palm will be facing toward the sky like this. Keep your both the hand on lap. Now we are going to balance our left side. So we don't worry, you know the how to do the balancing of left and right. So we can do with that step. So let's slowly first close our eyes. Slowly we'll close our eyes. Keep our attention on top of our head and both of our palm. Please close your eyes. Keep your both the hand on your lap. Palm will be facing toward the sky. Our eyes should be closed. Please close our eyes. And with the closed eyes, we will watch our thought. With the closed eyes, we will watch our thoughts. but do not get involved in a thought. Just watch as a third person. हमें बंद आंखों से अपने विचारों को देखना है, लेकिन उसमें उलझना नहीं है। विटनेस स्टेट में हम उन विचारों को देखेंगे। Now we are going to balance our left side, that is Ida Nadi. So keep our left hand on our lap and right hand on Mother Earth. Left hand on our lap and right hand on Mother Earth. And here we will pray, Mother, please balance my left side. Please remove all the blockages, all the heaviness from my left channel toward this Mother Earth element. You may experience the flow of energy, some cool breeze on your both the palm and top of your head. You may feel the energies coming to your left hand palm, slowly entering to your head, going from your right hand palm toward the Mother Earth. So let's enjoy this balanced state. Let's enjoy this experience few seconds in silent mode. Now slowly take our right hand back to our lap. Now we are going to balance our right side. So right hand on our lap, and slowly we'll raise our left hand toward the sky, bending from the elbow. Here in our heart, we will pray, Mother, please remove all the excessive heat, unnecessary thoughts from my right channel toward the sky element. You may experience some flow of energy in right hand palm as well as left hand palm. Let's enjoy this experience for a few seconds. Now slowly take your left hand back to your lap. keep our eyes closed, our attention on top of our head and both of our palm, and we'll do a meditation for a few seconds. With this position, slowly we can open our eyes. Very slowly we can open our eyes. Now we can feel some energy in our palm and top of our fingertips. So just experience that, just enjoy that, just for 1 or 2 minutes, and then we can take a question answer. If you observe yourself, the time when you enter into this program, that time you may have multiple thoughts, but just by doing a 5 minute of meditation, you feel a little difference. You feel a peaceful, you feel a joyful. And if by just doing a 5 minute of meditation, you can observe these changes in yourself. Let's imagine if you do regular 20-25 minute meditation, what wonder it will happen in your life. You will be more positive, you will be more peaceful person, you will be more balanced person, your personal growth will happen. So this is the benefit of meditation. So now be relaxed and let's start the question answer session. So you can post your question on chat, or maybe you can unmute your mic and you can ask. So our expert are there, Mr. Ashok Kumar Mishra, also Apiti ma'am. So both can able to answer your question. So feel free to do this, and I will request you, Ashok Kumar Mishra sir, if they can share some 5 minute information on how this can be removed, how meditation can help to remove the stress in the for the professor and lecturer, because you are also from the same background. So you can share that thought with audience.
Sure, sure. So thank you very much. I see 33 people there. Just to share my experience about meditation and Sahaja Yoga especially, who come in Sahaja Yoga? Who are the people who are coming in Sahaja Yoga? I'll just give you a background. See, God is giving miracles to everybody, every human being, which he is created by God. To show that, you should have attention towards God. So very many people think otherwise and they don't move towards God. But those people who are attracted by the miracles, they think that there is something, the creator is there trying to contact me. So how, let becomes a seeker, you know. So he tries to find out the answers to his questions and how these miracles are going on and how to experience God or the creator. So at that time, Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi is the founder and the, you can say, incarnation or the creator, whatever you say, hears your voice. He knows your desires. Yes, this fellow is interested in knowing about God and the creation. Then he will help you to, he or she helps you to come to this meditation. And that's why you all here. So there are 33 people. You have shown interest because of your desire, you are here. And unless until you desire, even God cannot help you in any way. So this is just the background I wanted to mention, so that you're very much thankful that you are here. So you are all very positive and going to get your self-realization benefits and everything. Now, the second question is professors, and in general also, there are a lot of problems that people are under very much stress because of present times. And of course, COVID has added to it. So whether COVID is there or not, people are generally very much stressed and they don't know how to come out of it. So they are very much, confused. And anybody telling them, okay, you try this method and you'll come out successfully. So they start trying it. And unfortunately, they go nowhere. They are still in that stressful state. But those people who are interested, really interested in solving their problem, they have to have a great desire, first of all, to understand what is Sahaja Yoga and practice it. Unless until you have a strong desire, you are not going to get benefits from Sahaja Yoga or by any means. So coming back to the subject, that question is how to get rid of your stress. So simple practicing of Sahaja Yoga meditation, we are just practicing. What I was feeling, I was listening to the song, music going on, but I was not attached to it, you know. I was thoughtless, but I was aware that some music is going on. Now, if this happens with you all, then your Kundalini power starts working, because Kundalini power is interested to clean all your chakras and connects you to the God Almighty, provided your attention is on her or you are thoughtless. On her means you are thoughtless. So when you become thoughtless, then your Kundalini power comes up and cleans all the chakras, connects you to divine, and all the good benefits, good things happen to you. Your full day is programmed. For example, you know what is right and what is wrong anytime, because I have seen very many experts, you know, they somehow at a point of time, they are not able to decide what is right and what is wrong. So they have to take a decision. So they take it, it may be wrong. So to avoid that, the first thing is, where Sahaja Yoga helps you is to decide to find out what is right and what is wrong. And the problem solving, a lot of problems, you should welcome problems, you know. There are people who are telling me नहीं बहुत प्रॉब्लम है हमारी लाइफ में, ऐसा नहीं है, ये problems are there. If there is no problem, then what is life? So let us have a problem, and through Sahaja Yoga, because of your faculties are enlightened, you will be able to solve all your problems. And then you get satisfaction from life. Satisfaction of life means complete satisfaction. अब हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए. जब ये condition आएगा आपके मन में, then you are actually सहयोगी. अब हमको कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Because you are totally satisfied with whatever you are having. And mind you, whatever you desire, you get it. Whatever you desire. Of course, it should be pure desire and it should be useful to you for your betterment. And the third aspect is you are safe and you have courage. You are confident. Yes, I'm going to take class today. I'm confident that I will take on my class very well and I will teach students with all my experience and knowledge. So that confidence is very much required to impress the other people who are in front of you. So courage, confidence, and then of course जान बची तो लाखों पाए. आजकल बहुत डेंजर है, सब जगह पर लोग violence है. So and also in personal life, accidents can happen on road and all. So safe life is very important. And then the fifth chakra is sweet behavior. You have to have sweet. If you love everybody, if you have a sweet behavior, everybody will like you. Everybody will like you. And communication should be very strong, because I have seen when I was a student, the professor was telling something which we were not able to hear properly. The pronunciation was not good, or the sound levels were not good. So we get bored and our mind goes out of window. So I'm not interested in studies because the impact which a professor should make is not happening. But because of this Vishuddhi Chakra over here, when it opens, you have a very impactful voice and you can communicate very well. And the attention of students are automatically drawn. Now, one thing I want to make very clear, that in Sahaja Yoga, everything happens automatically. Everything is done by divine, everything is done by your Kundalini, everything is done by chakras. You have not to use your mind. Mind has a limitation. So then comes forgiveness part. Now, in our daily life, we have to forgive, some students making mischief or something like that. We have to forgive them because they are still learning. And if we don't forgive, then we are again coming under stress and spoiling our energy and wasting our time. So immediately we have to forgive. Now, how to forgive? You don't have to do anything. Just say in your mind that I forgive that person, finish. Or I forgive everybody, I forgive myself. Oh God, please forgive me. These are the three things. When you forgive everything, your mind becomes stress-free. And then you put your attention on top of your head while conducting any session and keep on checking with the Almighty God or Creator that my session is, am I going in the right path? Am I doing the right thing? Am I not missing anything in the subject today? So if you keep on checking with the Almighty, so that means your Kundalini power will remain on the Sahasrara. Sahasrara is on over here. That means if it reaches here, then all your problem is solved. You can have a very good session. You can have a very good interaction with your students. You can improve your health. If at all you are having some problem in your health, but when you conduct a session, you will be absolutely fine without any problem. Second thing, sometimes you have to prepare for your class. And somehow you are distracted with some homework or something like that, and you are not able to finish your preparation. But somehow or other, when you take the class, you will be able to communicate whatever was desired to take the session in the class. This happens several times. If you will not miss the target, whether you have prepared or not, you will be able to take a class convincingly, and you will be covering all the points which that subject required for that day. So I think this is quite, we will require more questions from you.
Yeah, there is
my experience.
Yeah, there is a question again, sir. So maybe if I can ask you, Advocate Atiti can take, or if otherwise we can take. So the question is like how this technique of Sahaja Yoga is different than Yogasana or normal yoga? So, Advocate Aditi, you want to take this question?
Yes, sir. In Sahaja Yoga, what happens is that your journey begins with self realization, which is the highest blessing. Now, in other yogas, all the other yogas which are involving exercises or pranayams, that is of a very different kind, that will be giving temporarily you will be feeling what it is a temporary, it is a different kind of, it's only involving exercises, and it is all that you're doing, we are doing externally. So any kind of exercises we are doing, pranayams we are doing, it is externally we are doing. And but what happens in Sahaja Yoga is this has an external, whatever is happening in a subtle system. So subtle system is the medical language is the subtle system. In Sanskrit it is chakras. So the seven energies chakras, we cannot see them with our eyes, but in Sahaja Yoga, when the Kundalini is getting awakened, that is you are beginning from the highest point. So it's something like you are beginning from the greatest level, and your journey starts from self realization, which is the highest blessing. So many scriptures it was mentioned that there will be a time on this earth when your hands will speak. In the Gita it was written that एक time आएगा that चैतन्य की लहरियां आपके हाथों से बहेंगी. In the Bible it was written, wait for the mother, the cool breeze of the Holy Ghost. It was spoken about cool breeze of the Holy Ghost. Then in Quran it was mentioned that Kiyama ka time aayega, aapke haath bolenge. So all these things were mentioned so many thousands of years back, and they had mentioned about this time, because now what is happening is after 5th May, on 5th May 1970, Her Holiness Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi had opened the 7th chakra for the whole of universe. So because of this great, that is why 5th May is also called as the World Sahasrara Day, and it is also a very important day. In fact, it is the, in history of mankind, it is a breakthrough. 5th May is known as the breakthrough in human evolution in the history of mankind, because of this opening of the Sahasrara chakra. So you can well imagine who Shri Mataji must be. And so now what happens is the Kundalini is a divine mother inside us. It also recognizes who Shri Mataji is, and it immediately rises. And this is what has happened on the first day when we got our self-realization. When we got our self-realization, our Kundalini got awakened. And initially it used to be mentioned that it takes years and years and thousands of years, people keep meditating, still their Kundalini does not get awakened. Why it used to happen? Because the fifth chakra, the last chakra, the 7th chakra was not opened. But now on 5th May 1970, when Shri Mataji opened the 7th chakra, now the Kundalini rises within a second. It rises in less than a second, immediately, spontaneously. Only thing is we need to have a pure desire. And that is what happened with all of you, that the Kundalini has got awakened. So yoga, this is the real meaning of yoga. We feel yoga, the real meaning of yoga is connection of our Atma with the spirit, connection of our spirit with the divine power. So in Hindi, if I have to say, connection of Atma with Paramatma. Okay, so and that happens spontaneously. So it is a spontaneous happening, just like we cannot explain why the sun rises only from the east and not from north, south and west. There are certain things we cannot explain. If God wants, maybe after some, if God wants, God can make the sun rise from anywhere. So in the same way, this spontaneous happening, Kundalini awakening, is the is when you got your self realization. So here automatically your Atma is getting connected with, your spirit is getting connected with the divine power. So this is the real meaning of yoga also. Yoga is connection of your Atma with the divine power, connection of your spirit with the divine power. And this is only possible after self realization. So in other words, self realization means awakening of the Kundalini, the 3.5 coils which is in the sacrum bone. And once now, that is why Sahaja Yoga is different, because you are on the highest pedestal in the universe. You are on the highest evolution stage now. because you have received the greatest blessings, which even people after so much of meditation could not. Now it's happening spontaneously. Now you are automatically given the highest blessing, and you're starting from there. So it's something like a child is taught 1+1, 2, then division, then multiplication, and then he comes to other formulas and this Pythagoras theorem and other things. But here you are already given the highest blessing, and from there now you have to fly. So for that flying, you just have, what you have to do is you have to regularly meditate. If you, I mean, it's not a must, but you will see that if you start doing on a regular basis, you will want to automatically, you will feel, okay, that day I had meditated, my entire day went so good. In the morning, I just maybe meditated for 5 days. You will say, okay, that day you just meditated for 5 days, 5 minutes in the morning, and your entire day was so excellent. So you think, okay, now I want to do it again. So automatically there's no kind of force on you or pressure on you. When you yourself start seeing the difference in your life, automatically you will yourself want to sit down for 5 minutes in the entire day. And these 5 minutes, you are not doing anyone else a favor. These 5 minutes, we are doing ourselves a favor, because the whole day we are working and doing work for other people. Even if we are in the job, or maybe we are working for a family, we are doing everything for others. These 5 minutes in the day when we spend, 5 minutes in the morning, and also 5 minutes in the evening when we are spending, we are giving to ourselves. We are requesting the divine power which is already inside us. So we are requesting the divine power to cure us, and it is a spontaneous natural curing. So, like you were told about the left channel clearance, the right channel clearance, and of course the foot soaking technique. So you start doing this on a regular basis, and you will yourself see the difference. And the foot soaking technique, like you were told about, and the left channel and right channel clearance. Today also we have again done the left channel, right channel clearance. So now, so you will yourself start seeing the benefits in your life. So here, so the main difference is that you are starting from the highest level, and this is a spontaneous happening. Everything is, you're not telling anything that okay, now my clearance should happen. You're not taming your brain. You are not putting pressure on your brain. You're not doing some concentration on your nothing. Spontaneously, when you do left channel clearance, right channel clearance, when you do foot soaking, spontaneously your chakras are getting cleansed. People have got rid of incurable, or people have got rid of incurable diseases after doing regular Sehajog meditation. And of course, there are many Sehajog centers also all over the world. Now in 150 countries, these centers are there. They are absolutely free of cost, because see, this divine, how can we pay the divine power? We are, even if we wish to pay, we cannot pay. Satisfy Sehaj Yoga is absolutely free of cost, because we can't pay the divine. And in India, in every state, city, village, every corner of India, there's a Sehaj Yoga center also. And you can also join us for the regular meet the sessions that we have every Sunday. And so there is so much information now available to you. Only thing is, now you have to yourself make an effort. So that's the only thing. So,
Yeah, very good explanation by Advocate Atiti. Thank you. So Advocate Atiti is also practicing from long time, and she is getting a lot of benefit. Myself, working as a senior manager in one of the software company, and previously I used to don't believe on this meditation and stuff. I'm always used to work whenever I get the time. I am always thinking about my focus on my work. Because of that, I could not concentrate on my family life, my social life, and my health. So these three are got disturbed, and because of three, even my professional life is also disturbed. So even my manager and other people didn't like, because the thing are not happening properly at my personal life and other stuff. Even my health is got disturbed. So then I realized, after working so hard, after working around 20 year of 15 to 20 year of experience working in this industry, software industry, I realized that okay, we need to be in a balanced state, like profession life, personal life, family life, and social life. If there is an imbalance in any of this sector, you will face a problem. Maybe not now, but maybe future. So whatever you do it in a balanced state. Okay, not at the very low or not very high. Like if you are doing some exercise, you are doing a lot of exercise, that is not right. Okay, you need to do exercise at certain time, you need to take a food at certain time, but with the limited. Same way you need to do meditation every day, the way we are cleaning our body by taking a bath. So this is so important. If we forget this, it will create the problem. Similar way, meditation is the method of cleaning your thoughts, cleaning your negativity from the body. And if you do this, your life will increase. Your positivity or joy in life will increase. So these all are the benefit you will get in the life. And Ashok Kumar Mishra, you want to say, sir, you want to add something? You go ahead.
Yes, yes. I want to add that we spend a lot of time at clinic and hospital for curing yourself for maybe a migraine or maybe for cough problem, maybe for heart disease. All these problems are coming because of stress. So if we take out that stress from our mind, our body, then there will be no problem, there will be no ailments. Why we need to go to doctor and spend a lot of time and energy, and so boring, going traveling to the hospital almost every day and meeting a doctor, paying so much money to them, hard-earned money you are spending on curing yourself. While in Sahaja Yoga, there's no need of first of all curing, because your system is designed to cure yourself automatically. You can see earlier days in about maybe 70, 80 years back, who used to cure myself? There was no doctor. People will be having their own self, and everything was, from inside. They're getting cured from inside. So first thing is the medical, that health should be very fine, and this will always take care. I had acidity about 25 years back, and I went to doctor and I went to temples, what not. I did everything, but it never went away. And after starting Sahaja Yoga, after that, since that 25 years have gone, no acidity, no headache, no migraine, nothing. And there's no other question. See, for example, if you think too much, work too much, and worry too much, these are the three things, which we have to take care of. How to stop worries? If any thought comes, like worry, which is worrying you, tell it, go away. God is there to take care of me. And I'm doing Sahaja Yoga. So my Kundalini power, my own mother will take care of me. The second thing is a lot of work we are doing. We have to be balanced. And we cannot be balanced because we don't know how to get ourselves balanced. But Sahaja Yoga will remind you how much work you have to do, how much you have to take rest. So too much thinking and is also a big problem because unnecessarily you are going to past and future and you are getting stressed. So stop your thoughts. Say, don't come here. I'm working on some project. Go away, come later, or you don't come to me at all. Because I'm not here to entertain you. I'm practicing Sahaja Yoga, and they are taking care of me. The Almighty is taking care of me. And till now, who has taken care of you? Almighty. So why you have to worry about anything? आप इतने छोटे से इतने बड़े हो गए, किसने इतने सारे प्रॉब्लम आए, किसने सॉल्व किए प्रॉब्लम? आपने कितने प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए होंगे? 80%. Who solved the most dangerous 20% problems of your life? या तो प्रॉब्लम हट गए, या तो फिर बात में आए ही नहीं. So there is a creator taking care of you, and you have to just need to be connected so that प्रॉब्लम आए ही नहीं. आपके पास प्रॉब्लम आकर के उसको सॉल्व क्यों करते बैठते हैं? आपके पास प्रॉब्लम आना ही नहीं चाहिए. This life is meant for Sahaja to पिछले जन्मों में. You have worked very hard. That's why you are attracted to Sahaja Yoga in this life. And if you are practicing Sahaja Yoga, then nothing, no problems solving, nothing, only enjoying life to the best of its practice. And if there is any question, and I will tell you one more thing,
Yeah.
why mind fools us? Can anybody tell me why mind fools us? Mind fools us because we are surrendering to it. Do you know mind fools? Because we have trained like that. We have trained our mind to fool others. So that's why there is a mind.
I guess there is some sound problem from the Ashok Mishra sir. So no issue. So just I wanted to say we are almost completed our part. What we are requesting, if you have any problem in future from here onward, what you need to do is just search your problem, say Sahaj Yoga and your problem on YouTube. So you will get a lot of talks of Dr. Shri Nirmala Srivastava ji about how to resolve that problem. Let's say you have a blood pressure, just search Sahaj Yoga and blood pressure. You will get the talk of Dr. Shri Nirmala Srivastava where you will learn about how to resolve that problem. If you have a knee problem, so you can search on Google or you can search on YouTube. The thing is simple: Sahaj Yoga plus your problem. And we sincerely give the thanks to Dr. Mrugeshwari ma'am for giving this wonderful opportunity, ma'am. You are the very good instrument.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
For giving this so beautiful opportunity to interact with you, for wonderful audience. And we thank you for the audience also who participated from last 4 to 5 days and understand the concept in a detail and participated, interacted, filled the feedback form. So thank you very much, all the respected participants. Hope you are still working with us, and maybe you will continue do meditation every day. Today also we posted a feedback form. If the person who didn't fill this feedback form in the past 4 days, that person only need to fill the feedback form today. So over to you, Aditi ma'am. If you want to add anything, you can add. Otherwise, we finish our part.
Yes, we are really very much thankful to Dr. Murugeshwari ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
It's through your initiative. So many participants have got benefited, and we also thank AICTE for this mandate through which so many students, so many faculty members of all AICTE institutions are benefiting. And they are themselves coming up and telling their miracle stories also. And I'm sure if all the participants start practicing today, even 5 minutes on a daily basis, you will be benefited so much that you yourself will want to tell others about it. And we'll also be sharing a few PPTs with ma'am, and we'll request ma'am if it can also be shared with the participants. And
surely, ma'am, I will share all the PPTs to the participants.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And for all the participants, in case you have any kind of doubts, any things, you please feel free to ask. And of course, even you also have the contact numbers now, so you can definitely reach us out at any time. Also, and I also thank Chandrakant sir and Ashok Mishra sir for taking out their valuable time, and to the entire Sahaj Yoga team for their precious time and giving this great knowledge to the participants. And ma'am, and special heartfelt thanks to
thank you so
Dr.
much.
Murugeshwari ma'am. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. We are very grateful to you people. We are very grateful.
Yes. And in case any participant wishes that their college should also have such sessions for their faculty, for their students, for their faculty members, please do let us know. Sahaj Yoga sessions are absolutely free of cost all over the world, and they are benefiting people to such a great extent that people are just say they are, or everyone is feeling why they did not know about it before in their lives. There are people getting rid of their BP, their blood sugar automatically. So they are feeling that why did they waste so much time going to having medicines? So just all you need to do is just start. That starting is most is the main thing in life. Once you start 5 minutes in the morning, in the evening, you will see wonders for yourself. Also, there is a very there's a website. You'll get a lot of information on the website also. So it is sahajayoga.org.in, sahajayoga.org.in. Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much, madam. Participants, you can tell your feedback, please.
Sir is asking, Gopala Krishna sir is asking to conduct in a university which is in Bangalore. Definitely, sir, we will conduct for a university. We are doing it for colleges and universities all over India. So we'll share a few numbers here. You can definitely reach us at any time. So we are just mentioning the numbers here.
I'm here. The program may be finished, but I am still here. If somebody is interested to interact, I am here.
Yeah, maybe we can post your number, Ashok sir, so they can personally contact you on your mobile number.
I have posted several,
Okay, okay, no problem, sir. Okay, okay. Yeah.
but
So thank you very much. We all can leave. Our Sahaj Yoga team can leave from the program, and we will keep you in touch, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Chandrakant sir, I'm not able to type the number for Gopala Krishna sir. Maybe the
Okay,
chat
I will
function
type.
is.
I will type your number. Just 1 minute. I can type. So yeah. So Gopal Krishna sir, I will speak also, and I will type number also. You can both write down. It's a 7290044992. So you can reach on this number for organizing any program. Okay, 7290044992. You can contact on this number. So you can organize anywhere in the India if you call on this number. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Participants, you can wait for a few minutes for the next technical session. Within 5 minutes of time, he will be joining.
if there are no questions, I will also leave after 5 minutes?
I once again welcome Mr. Ramakrishnan.
Good morning, Dr. Murgeshwari.
Good morning, Ramakrishnan. Good morning, Ramakrishnan. Can you start the session now? Because no need of introduction.
Sure. No problem. So my voice is clear, right?
Yes, your